Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the third problem from Codeforces Raif round 1. Problem statement says that we have given a string S, and from that string we can remove substring AB or BB. After removing such all the substring, we have to find the shortest length left of that string, right? uh, let's check. Let's say we have example B A B A A B B, right? We have this example. We can remove AB or BB substring from this string, right? Initially I am considering this AB substring. uh, I am discarding all the possible AB substring from this string S, and after this whatever the uh, string left with B or A, I am considering this BB substring, right? So let's take a look how I am doing this, how I am discarding this AB substring. I am basically counting the total number of B left after this A index, after right of this A index, right? What how many number of B left after this A index? So I am counting the total number of B from the end. uh, we have B count here as a 1, then we have once again 2. Whenever we encounter A, that means we have to decrement our B count by 1. That is, we have B count here 1. That means this A is going to consume 1 B, right? After this, once again we encounter with A. That means I have to decrement this B count, right? So we have 0 B left with at this index. That means I have to discard this AB substring, right? Now once again we encounter a B, right? So I am increment our B count, or I am giving this B, saying this B as a 1. Then once again we encounter A. That means we have to decrement our B count by 1. That is 0. Now at this moment we have no B left. That means we are decrementing this AB, discarding this AB also, right? Now B count is 1. So this index is going to give us how many B left in our string after discarding all the AB substring, right? So our final string is going to be look like something B B B B, right? And something A, something like this, like, right? So I have to give this count. So in this case, how many B left? That is 1. And how many A left? Nothing. That is 0. So our answer is going to be 1, right? Let's say if we have substring B B B A A A B B, right? So similarly, same process if we are doing in this string also. Let's count this B count. We have 1 B here, 2 B after this index. uh, Whenever we encounter A, that means we have to decrement 1 B count, right? So we have 1 here. So basically I have just discarded this substring AB, right? Then once again I encounter with A, so I have to decrement our B count, right? So what I'm doing, I have 0 B left now, right? So I am discarding this AB also. Now once again we encounter with A, that means we have no B left after this index, right? After this index, so this A is going to be in our answer string, right? So basically I am decrementing this count 0 by -1, and after making whole array, I am counting total negative number. That will going to give me total number of a left in our answer string, right? And this b is given by our first index, just like one left in this example. Let's move further in this problem. Now we encounter with b, so we have to give 1 to that b, right? So we have 1b. Now we decrement our index from here to here. Now we have 2b left and we have 3b left. So total number of b left is given by this index, and total number of a left is given by all the negative index in this array, right? So how many negative number left in this array? That is 1, right? So we have to just answer, our answer is going to all the negative sum of all the negative number. That is total number of negative numbers in this array, that is 1, right? And this zeroth index is going to give us a total number of b left, right? So total number of 3b left. Now see this, we can also discard bb, right? So if we have odd number of b left, then what we do, we just increment our answer, right? And if we have, let's say if we have even number of b left, that means this b going to be discarded and this b going to be discarded, this b going to be discarded, right? So there is no need to increment our answer. So if odd number of b left, that means we have to increment our answer, right? So that is the solution of third problem. Let's take a look at code. Yeah, I am storing all that integer in this array, all the b count in this array b sub, right? Whenever we encounter with b and the I plus 1 index is greater than 0, then I am just incrementing the, just a second. Yeah, so whenever we encounter with b, and we will check I plus 1 index. If b sub is greater than 0, then we are just incrementing our b count, right? When if our b sub at the I plus 1 index is negative, that means we have to initialize once again b count as a 1, right? And whenever we encounter with a, right, then we have to decrease our b count. So, and after this I am counting total number of negative number in our b sub array, right? And finally I am taking the count how many b left after all all the possible removal of ab substring. So this is given by the 0th index, right? So I am checking how many b left. If it is odd, then I am incrementing our answer, right? Just I have said, if it is going to be odd, that means we can discard this string, but this 1b still left, right? So I am just incrementing the answer. If it is even, then this whole bb substring is going to be discarded. So I am doing nothing at that time. So and then I am printing the answer. Yeah, so this is the solution of third problem from Codeforces Raif round 1. Solution source code is in the description. You can check this code from the description, right? Uh, yeah, thank you.